like everybody is sitting inside the homes and not able to go out, not able to socialize. So what you planned once, that you thought that all right, what I'm going to do is I'll take my daughter or son.
Seeing that, we've come out together, let's keep the phone away, let's kind of, look at each other, talk, at least look at each other. I mean, because all of us are constantly looking into screens in different rooms at different points in time. Yeah.
And this is a normal water, right? So I just wanted to show you one thing. How one react and how one responds, and what is the better way forward, best way forward. So I'll shake both these bottles, right? I'm shaking both bottles. Shaking means you have a lot of stress coming your way. Your child is saying, Mama, I want this. No, don't want this. I have a bad day at school and all these things. So when I opened this, nothing came out.
I was wondering if we can sit together and figure out different ways in which we can enjoy together other than spending time in gaming. What say?
Similarly, if we imagine every experience, every talk, every conversation with the child to be the first one, I think that would help a lot in making them learn better.
The problem that happens most of the time is, as parents, because we want, the well-being of our children, we want to mitigate that as quickly as possible. We want to give the solution as quickly as possible because that is the quickest way or the quickest fix.
With long sentence.
The kids will say, my God, what's up with my mom?
It's better to eat.
Yeah.
It's better to eat.
Hi, thank you. This is Vineet here, Vanshika's dad. We attended 2 sessions and both of the sessions were fantastic. What we really liked about the session was about the kind of role play that the parents did for the students on how to deal with different situations, right? So every situation was very different and the parents had to do a little bit of a role play, and the experts actually gave their view on how the role play went and what went right in that discussion and what did not. So I think we are also dealing with a similar situations with kids are at home, a lot of stress, a lot of screen time especially, right? And not able to meet friends. So those kind of stress is certainly there. We feel that this session really helped us to really understand the child in a much better way, and same situation to be dealt in a different way, because we also looked at the perspective of the other parents. So I think that was very, very nice. We really liked it. And I think we request Pathways to continue these sessions in future as well.
I like the technique Soda's, and which I'm going to apply to my daughter for sure. And I think it will be helping her a lot, and me as well. I want to thank the school for holding such a supportive session for the parents. So thank you so much.
I felt that it's been a very difficult time, I think, for parents and teachers both, and conversations between, the school and the home see very different aspects of every child. And together, if we talk to each other, I think we sort of develop a more holistic understanding of our children, and our children stand to benefit by it. So the pandemic has taught us that increased communication is possible even though we can't meet, and it was really good to see the school take up that initiative, and I found it really helpful to get the insights not only from the school but also from other parents on how they're dealing with some of the challenges with online schooling. So I'm really glad this was done.